get that?
We are off to go and fly this new, well, it's not new, but a plane that I've not flown yet, which is this one that's in the back here. It's roughly based on a 1920s design, which is, you know, those kind of old-fashioned American-looking retro planes that you'd see back in the day. So I'm going to fly this with my friend Matthew, who lives up in the hills, and we'll see how we get on, really. Here's the plane. This is what the wind's doing, and this is my flight engineer.
I do.
Do you want to come here, because it's we're probably going to crash over there. I'm really not very hopeful about this, to be honest. I think it's definitely going to crash. I really hope it doesn't go into those sheep over there. That's it, I think. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
CG check. Got no elevator. Oh god, did you get that?
Yeah. How are we going to get that on there?
I have no idea.
How do you do this every time?
Yeah, I know. So it's just crashed in the that over there. What are these sheep doing? I mean, it's if you can see it, it's just in that that tree. Sheep are going mental.
They're trained ones, so they follow the cues.
Oh right, okay. I didn't know you could train
trial.
sheep. Come by, come by.
That's for the dog.
Oh. Go away.
You lost your engine.
Well, it's not too far up anyway. Did you know this is my first plane that's actually crashed in a tree? Oh look, it's actually completely ripped out, the engine. I completely lost the, what's it called? The elevator control.
Wow.
Steady on.
It's new jeans.
Steady on. New jeans, I'm very sorry to be putting them through this.
Embedded.
What was it? Embedded?
Embedded in it.
What's up? These sheep are clearly very interested in aviation. Although they keep running away and coming back again. Oh, sorry, I'll grab that. Thank you.
That's the less muddy end.
Oh, right. Thank you. I would help you, but I'm just going to film instead. Yeah, so not quite sure how we're going to get this down.
I'll go and find something.
Alright, thanks. Can you take this? I'm just going to turn this off. Thank you very much. Oh, and maybe this as well.
Anything else, my lord?
Yeah, can you get us a cup of tea as well, please? All the sheep.
Here we go. You ready?
Yeah, yeah.
You grab it. Well, cool.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Well, it doesn't look too bad. Right then. Let's go. Oh wow, it's really raining. There's my auntie.